Keep going about these other types of loans. Okay, we've talked about HUD, we've talked about the Veterans Administration, a VA loan. Sure. Who qualifies for a VA loan, though?
A veteran. You have to be a veteran to qualify for a VA loan.
What determines eligibility?
If you are a veteran, then you're eligible for it unless you've been disallowed. Yeah, unless you've been disallowed for some reason. You know, if you were dishonorably discharged, things like that would disqualify you from a VA loan. What
are the benefits of a veteran's loan?
It's a 100% loan, just like USDA would be. It's very similar to USDA loan, except it does not have any geographic restrictions. The property doesn't have to be in an eligible area.
What about limits? An FHA loan, the Federal Housing Administration, does not guarantee those loans to an indefinite number. What's the cap?
In Tulsa County, it's $271,000 for the
pretty substantial home to be buying on FHA.
Yep.
What's the benefit of going on an FHA loan as opposed to a conventional loan?
The biggest benefit is that the FHA loans are less credit score sensitive. So someone who doesn't have a 720 credit score but maybe has a score in the 650 range would get a better interest rate with FHA than they would conventional. FHA requires less money down than conventional would. They'd be required to put 5% down with conventional at the minimum. With FHA, it's 3.5%.
So if you buy a $100,000 house on conventional, it's going to cost you $5,000 for down payment only, not just your, or not completely. It's going to be your down payment of 5% plus your closing costs.
Sure.
So on FHA, it would be 3.5%?
Yep, so $3,500 on a $100,000 with FHA.